Hello students, you all have done your homework. Yes, last week videos, did you all see the videos and was it helpful children? You all were able to understand? Any feedback or any suggestion from the parents, please feel free to message me. Got it? Or you can just share your feedback or suggestions, what you want me to do, anything, any improvements or anything else. If you feel that, please feel free to share it to me. And hope students you all are doing good. Enjoyed the rhymes? Did you all enjoy the rhymes? Boogie woogie, snap your fingers, yes? And did you do the homework in literacy book and in your numbers book? Did you all write numbers till 100? Yes, did you all do this? And completed your handwriting homework, right? And today I am going to continue. Parents, please make them to read these words every day. So I have completed vowel A sound and E sound. Now let's move for letter I. Vowels recall I sound. Okay, so you all have to repeat children. So A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. A sound is done, E sound is done. Now we are going to do I sound. I sounds E. Okay, I sounds E. I, B. So I sounds E. B sounds B. I, B. Together IB. IB. So using I, B, let us see few words. Bib. B, I, B. Bib. So you know what is bib, correct? Next. F, I, B. Fib. F, I, B. Fib. N, I, B. Nib. N-I-B, nib. R-I-B, rib. Shall we go to next? I-D. I sounds E, D sounds D, I-D, id. Id. B-I-D, bid. B-I-D, bid. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. Repeat children. H-I-D, hid. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. Come to next. I-G, ig. E sound, I sounds E and G, g. Ig. B-I-G, big. Repeat. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. J-I-G, jig. J-I-G, jig. W-I-G, wig. Shall we repeat children once more? Big. Big. Dig. Dig. Fig. Jig. Then wig. Let us go to I-M. Im. I-M sounds im. Dim. D-I-M. Dim. D-I-M. Dim. H-I-M. Him. H-I-M. Him. R-I-M. Rim. Dim. Him. Rim. Next. I-N. In. I-N. In. B-I-N, bin. D-I-N, din. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. W-I-N, win. Come on, repeat the words. Bin, din, pin, tin, win. Next. I-P, ip. I-P, ip. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. Repeat students. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. N-I-P, nip. Z-I-P, zip. So dip. Can you see? This is a picture. Dip, hip, lip, nip, zip. Next. I-T, it. I sounds E, T sounds T, it. IT, it. Come on, read the words. BIT, bit. FIT, fit. HIT, hit. KIT, kit. LIT, lit. SIT, sit. Come on, repeat. Bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, sit. Let us complete O sound. A over, E over, I over. Now O. Okay. O sounds O. O sounds O. Okay. Vowels recall O sounds. O plus B. O plus B. Ob. Ob. Right? Yes. Come on. B-O-B. Bob. C-O-B. Cob. H-O-B. Hob. J-O-B. Job. M-O-B. Mob. R-O-B. Rob. S-O-B. Sob. Bob. Cob. Hob. Job. Mob. Rob. Sob. Okay. Next, children. OD. Odd. OD. Odd. COD. Cod. NOD. Nod. POD. Pod. ROD. Rod. SOD. Sod. Repeat everyone. Cod. Nod. Pod. Rod. Sod. OG. 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 BOG. Bog. Repeat everyone. BOG. Bog. COG. Cog. DOG. Dog. FOG. Fog. HOG. Hog. JOG. Jog. LOG. Log. Come on, repeat. Bog. Cog. Dog. Fog. Hog. Jog. Log. Okay. Next. OP. 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 Cop. 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 HOP. Hop. Repeat. LOP. Lop. MOP. Mop. POP. Pop. TOP. Top. Shall we repeat once again? Cop. Hop. Children, you should say, okay? Lop. Mop. Pop. Top. Okay. Come to this. OT. Ot. Say O-T. O sounds O. T sounds T. Ot. COT. Cot. DOT. Dot. HOT. Hot. LOT. Lot. POT. Pot. ROT. Rot. TOT. Tot. Repeat from beginning. Cot. Dot. Hot. Lot. Pot. Rot. Tot. Last one. OX. Ox. Repeat. O sounds O. X. Ox. Yes. BOX. Box. COX. Cox. FOX. Fox. Box. Cox. Fox. Let us finish the last sound U. So all the vowels will be done. A, E, I, O over. Now we are in the letter U. U sounds A. U sounds A. Up. Umbrella. Okay? Yes. So now U sounds A, B sounds B, Ub. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. D-U-B, dub. D-U-B, dub. H-U-B, hub. R-U-B, rub. T-U-B, tub. Repeat. Cub, dub, hub, rub, tub. Next one. U-D, urd. U sounds D sounds D, urd. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. C-U-D, cud. C-U-D, cud. M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. Bud, cud, mud. Next, U-G, ug. U sounds G sounds G, ug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G, hug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. L-U-G, lug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. T-U-G, tug. Bug, hug, jug, lug. Repeat children. Mug, rug, tug. Very good. Shall we go to the next? U sounds M sounds M. G-U-M, gum. H-U-M, hum. M-U-M, mum. S-U-M, sum. Gum, hum, mum, sum. Very good. Shall we go to the next? U-N, un. U sounds N sounds N, un. B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun. N-U-N, nun. P-U-N, pun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. Bun, fun, gun, nun, pun, run, sun. Next, U-P, up. U sounds P sounds P, up. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. P-U-P, pup. S-U-P, sup. Cup, pup, sup. Next, U-T. U sounds T sounds T, ut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. J-U-T, jut. J-U-T, jut. N-U-T, nut. B-U-T, butt. C-U-T, cut. Butt, cut, hut, jut, nut. Okay children, so we have completed all the vowels, right, from A to I have completed from A, right? From A, can you see all the vowels in the letters are in A? Next, all the E is in red and all the I are in red. Then all the O's are in red and all the U are in red. So I have completed till page number 9. So you can read every day at least one time from A to U all the words to improve your vowels. Your vowel sounds. Okay, to improve your vowel sounds, you have to read till page number 9. Will you all do it, children? You all will read every day. Very good.